Hello, I'm going to be reviewing Lego set 10661, my first Lego fire station, 90 pieces. This set is for young builders. It's easy to build. There's lots of big pieces and the models are very simple. But it's still a cool set and it was on clearance, so I got it. Let's look at the dog first. So you get a dog in the set. He's a brown dog. Might be tan colored. He has printing on his face and eyes. Dark brown. So there's your dog. Then we also get one figure in the set. It's just a firefighter. He's got printing on his torso on the front, but not the back. And no leg printing. So the set comes with a bunch of pieces. I kind of just built the first main models in the book, which are these small little trees or bushes, and they're on fire, so you get some flame pieces. And then I built the little fire truck, and I kind of customized a little bit, added some more pieces on them. We're in the picture, just because you get a bunch of extra pieces. And the ladder can move. There's a little axe in there, steering wheel and chair. And this comes off and he can hold it and he can put out fires. And you can clip it right back on. So that's the little fire truck. And the other piece I built was, I guess, like a little fire station, really simple. And then these were the pieces that were left over. 4 1x6s, 3 little studs, this little helicopter piece, some of these. So let's look at the little manual and see what else we could build. I built the little trees and the fire truck, the little fire station. You can also build a helicopter. Looks like a little spot for the dog and the firefighter to work out, practice. This one looks like a little kind of a race car. And this one is a windmill. I like how the dog carries his own water or something. And here's another little alternate model fire truck. And then it just advertises some of the brick buckets and other sets. And it shows you your piece count. So that's all for this set. Thanks for watching.